Hi, I'm Saj from Jap Performance. You probably see my Datsun now; it's all finished, and I want to keep this car nice and safe. And a lot of you guys ask me what I'm going to do with it, and I'm going to show you where I keep this car. I've got a special folding garage for this car. Follow me, and I'll show you where it is. Now, this is a product we're looking to launch in the next couple of weeks, so I've got one just for me to try for now, and the thing's brilliant. I can literally just drive my car straight in, so it's going to be protected. I'll go in as far as it feels about right there. And I can park that there, switch it off. Let me come out the car. Now, it's very simple. I've literally driven in, and I have in my hand a remote control. This particular unit is electronic, and what I'll do, I'll just press that, and you'll see there's two rams there, on one on each side, and the whole structure will close, and the car is going to be nice and safe. Now, this unit is all made of stainless steel, the whole frame, and it's all comes in pieces, flat pack. You assemble it, and the awning itself is a weatherproof, UV-proof cover, and it'll keep the car nice and safe out of the wind and the rain and the snow and the dust and everything else. It's so simple. You can see it literally closes within seconds, and once it comes all the way down, it will have a catch which locks into the floor. Now, I think it's a really good, clever thing to keep my car safe, because like with most car covers, they're on the car, they're going to damage the paint or they're going to leave stains and so on, and it's lots of space in there. I'm going to be marketing these on our website very soon, so if you go on japperformanceparts.co.uk, you'll see these. We're going to have different sizes, different prices. They're going to be manual, electronic, and you can pre-order them when you see them on there, but probably from about July we'll actually hold them in stock. So you can see how it works. It's a really clever unit, and certainly I'm going to get one up for my house.